You teach Grampito?
He loving.
You teach Grampito? You gotta teach Grampito how to speak Espanol. Come on, you old fart.
Yeah, you're gonna learn with Obi.
You say, come on, you old fart. You gotta learn. You gotta learn. Who's playing with you? Come here, everybody keep playing with my toes. Me and Navi. Huh?
They're too cute not to play with. Look at them little chubbers.
Uh-huh.
Look at them chubbers. Look at them chubber feet. He's in your feet with the market. Hey, feed the market.
Yep. You got short shorts on? See, I wear short shorts too.
Yeah, 'cause I don't have any long ones, Dylan. I grew too fast. We're gonna go tomorrow.
We're go down like
Well, that's we gotta find you.
No, we're gonna go
6
get
months?
some.
Oops.
Yeah, well, he has 3 to 6, and we were like trying to make it. No, we
went 6 to 9.
You gonna, yeah, you gonna have
6
to
to 9
step up.
ones. 10 to 1. Look at them legs.
So I gotta be comfortable. I gotta have room to